वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स। आज हमारा टॉपिक है हाइब्रिडाइजेशन पार्ट 2 और आज हम करेंगे sp2 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन। लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने sp3 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन की थी। आज हम करेंगे sp2 हाइब्रिडाइजेशन। Definition है when 1s and 2p atomic orbitals intermix to form three hybrid orbitals of same shape and energy, then it is called sp2 hybridization। यानी कि जो डिफरेंट शेप की एस और पी ऑर्बिटल्स और डिफरेंट एनर्जी के हैं वो इंटरमिक्स होते हैं और हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल्स बनाते हैं जिनकी एनर्जी भी सेम होती है और शेप भी सेम होती है लाइक दिस। 1s and px and py intermix and form three hybrid orbitals of same shape and same energy. Next, when these atomic orbitals arrange themselves at a maximum distance, then the bond angle become 120. 120 bond angle बन जाता है. Here look, 120, and geometry is a triangular planar. Geometry become triangular planar. And fourth 2pz atomic orbital remain unhybridized and placed perpendicular to these three hybrid orbitals. अब थ्री यानी कि एक s and px and py तो हाइब्रिडाइज हो गए एंड थर्ड वन p का है वो है 2pz, वो अनहाइब्रिडाइज रहता है और वो इन तीनों हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल्स के ऊपर परपेंडिकुलरली प्लेस कर दिया जाता है जो कि पाई पैरेलल ओवरलैपिंग के लिए होता है लाइक दिस। अब इथीन की एग्जांपल अगर आप देखें तो sp2 हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल्स विद वन एस, पहले हम डायग्राम देख लेते हैं। If you see in blue shade, these are sp2 hybrid orbitals, and these sp2 hybrid orbitals overlap with the hydrogen 1s orbital above and below, like here, this and this. And S and sp2 overlap. This is sp2 overlap because sp2 hybrid orbitals overlap with s orbital of hydrogen. And if you see here, this is sp2 overlap. One carbon sp2 hybrid orbital overlap with other carbon sp2 hybrid orbitals and form sigma bond, that is single bond. And another 2pz orbital here, this 2pz orbital overlap with other 2pz orbital and form pi bond or double bond. In this way double bond is formed and ethene structure is completed and diagrammatically, and this lead to angle between them will be 120 degree, and geometry is triangular planar. This in plane form. Next, third type in your book is sp hybridization. Definition क्या है? When 1s and 1p atomic orbitals intermix to form two hybrid orbitals of same shape and energy. When 1s, only 1s and only 1p hybrid atomic orbitals intermix and form two hybrid orbitals of same shape and energy, then it is called sp hybridization. Like this, if you say that see the diagram, s and px orbital intermix and form hybrid orbitals, two hybrid orbitals sp. If you see here, two hybrid orbitals when arrange themselves, then the angle between them is 180 degree, and the geometry will be linear. Geometry will be linear, and 180 degree will be the angle. And 2py and 2pz orbitals remain unhybridized and placed perpendicular on these hybrid orbitals, these two hybrid orbitals, in this way. If you see here, here and on sp hybrid orbitals there is a 2py and 2pz orbital. If you see the same as we see in case of ethene, now we discuss ethine which include triple bond, which have triple bond, and we see here how triple bond is formed. If you see here one s orbital and s orbital of hydrogen and sp hybrid orbital of ethene carbon overlap and form a sigma bond or single bond. And then if you see here in this as in previous sp overlap and that's form sigma bond or single bond. And then remaining two hybrid orbital, remaining two unhybridized orbital 2py and 2pz, they overlap parallelly in parallel fashion and form in this way and in this way. And they form 2pz orbitals and they form pi bond. They form pi bond, pi overlap, and that lead to two double bonds. And in this way, triple bond will be formed. And this is all about today's lecture. And if anyone asks the question, then must mention in the comment box. I will sure that I will answer it completely. Thank you so much.